In today's fast-paced digital landscape, content is king, but creating it can feel like an endless hustle. The pressure to publish consistently, keep up with trends, and maintain high standards can be overwhelming. Yet, what if there was a way to work smarter, not harder? What if you could harness the power of artificial intelligence to streamline your workflow, automate time-consuming tasks, and still achieve remarkable results? Welcome to the world of the lazy content strategy, a method that leverages AI to do the heavy lifting, leaving you more time for creativity, strategy, or simply enjoying life. The concept might sound too good to be true, but the reality is that AI has evolved to a point where it can take over many aspects of content creation, from ideation to publishing. The key is not to replace human creativity, but to enhance it. By allowing AI to handle the repetitive, data-driven, and technical elements of your content efforts, you free yourself to focus on big-picture thinking and authentic connection with your audience. This approach isn't about cutting corners or delivering subpar work. It's about maximizing efficiency and impact. Let's start with understanding why content matters in the first place. Content is the foundation of your digital presence. It attracts visitors, builds trust, nurtures leads, and positions you as an authority. But producing quality content regularly requires time, energy, and resources. For solopreneurs, small teams, or anyone juggling multiple responsibilities, this can be a significant challenge. That's where AI enters the scene, transforming what was once a labor-intensive process into something manageable, even enjoyable. The first pillar of a lazy content strategy is ideation. Coming up with fresh, relevant topics is often half the battle. AI-powered tools can analyze your industry, audience interests, and trending topics to suggest ideas that are both timely and engaging. By inputting a few keywords or themes, you can generate a list of potential blog posts, social media updates, or video scripts tailored to your goals. This eliminates the dreaded creative block and ensures your content stays aligned with what your audience cares about. But ideation is just the beginning. AI can help outline your content, providing structure and coherence. For instance, you can use AI to create detailed outlines for articles, complete with suggested headings, subheadings, and key points. This blueprint streamlines the writing process, allowing you to fill in the details or let the AI draft the initial version for you. The result is a solid framework that saves time and boosts productivity. When it comes to writing, AI has truly come into its own. Advanced language models can produce well-written, grammatically correct content on a wide range of topics. While it's important to review and edit for tone and accuracy, the initial draft can be generated in minutes rather than hours. This is especially useful for routine content. Think product descriptions, news updates, or FAQ pages, where the information is straightforward and the style consistent. Even for more nuanced pieces, AI can provide a strong starting point, which you can then refine with your unique voice and insights. Editing and proofreading are essential steps in content creation, but they can be tedious and time-consuming. AI tools excel here, offering grammar checks, readability improvements, and even suggestions for stronger headlines or calls to action. These tools can catch errors you might overlook and ensure your content is polished before it goes live. With AI handling the minutiae, you can focus on bigger, strategic decisions. Of course, content isn't limited to the written word. AI can help you create images, infographics, and even videos. Visual content is a powerful way to capture attention and convey information quickly. AI-powered design tools can suggest layouts, select color palettes, and can even generate original graphics based on your input. You don't need to be a design expert or spend hours tinkering with software. Just provide a concept and let the AI do the rest. Video is another area where AI is making waves. From generating scripts to editing footage and adding subtitles, AI can streamline the entire video production process. Some platforms can even create animated videos or talking head clips from text alone, opening up new possibilities for marketers and creators with limited resources. The result is professional-looking content without the need for expensive equipment or technical know-how. Distribution is often an overlooked aspect of content strategy, but it's critical for reaching your audience. AI tools can automate the process of sharing your content across multiple channels: social media, email newsletters, blogs, and more. These tools can optimize posting times, tailor messages for each platform, and even interact with your followers through chatbots or automated responses. By letting AI manage distribution, you ensure your content gets maximum exposure with minimal effort. Analytics and optimization are the final pieces of the puzzle. Tracking how your content performs is essential for understanding what works and what doesn't. AI-powered analytics platforms can sift through vast amounts of data, providing actionable insights and recommendations. They can identify trends, highlight successful topics, and suggest improvements for future content. This feedback loop allows you to continuously refine your strategy, focusing on what delivers the best results. So, how do you put this lazy content strategy into action? Start by assessing your current workflow. Identify the tasks that consume the most time or cause the most frustration. Chances are, these are prime candidates for automation. Next, research AI tools that fit your needs and budget. Many offer free trials or affordable plans, making it easy to experiment without a significant investment. Begin by using the AI for ideation and outlining. Let the technology generate topic ideas and structure your content. As you become comfortable, experiment with having AI draft content for you. Remember, your role is to guide the process, review the output, and infuse your unique perspective. Use AI editing tools to polish your work and explore visual and video content creation if it aligns with your goals. Automate distribution wherever possible and set up analytics to track performance. Over time, you'll develop a streamlined workflow that minimizes manual effort and maximizes impact. The beauty of this approach is that it's scalable. You can ramp up content production without burning out or sacrificing quality. But what about authenticity? One of the concerns about AI-generated content is that it might lack the human touch or come across as generic. The key is to use AI as a collaborator, not a replacement. Inject your personality, opinions, and stories into the content. Edit AI drafts to ensure they reflect your brand's voice and values. Use AI to handle the grunt work, freeing you to focus on building genuine connections with your audience. Another advantage of the lazy content strategy is its adaptability. As AI technology evolves, new tools and capabilities will emerge, allowing you to further optimize your workflow. Stay curious and open to experimentation. Don't be afraid to try new approaches or pivot your strategy based on what the data tells you. The goal is to work smarter, not harder, letting AI take care of the routine so you can focus on what truly matters. Let's take a closer look at some practical examples. Imagine you're a small business owner with limited time for marketing. You use an AI-powered content generator to create weekly blog posts based on trending topics in your industry. The tool suggests headlines, outlines the article, and drafts the main content. You review the draft, add your insights, and polish the language. Next, you use an AI design tool to create a custom image for the post and an AI video tool to produce a short explainer clip. Everything is scheduled for publication and distribution across your website, social media, and email list. Analytics track engagement and conversions, providing data for future content decisions. What once took days now takes hours, freeing you to focus on running your business. Consider a solo creator building a personal brand. Instead of spending hours brainstorming and writing, they use AI to generate content ideas and outlines, draft social media posts, and even create podcast scripts. AI editing tools ensure everything is polished and on brand. Automated scheduling tools handle distribution, ensuring a consistent online presence. The creator spends less time on repetitive tasks and more on engaging with their audience, experimenting with new formats, and growing their influence. Even larger teams can benefit from the lazy content strategy. By automating routine tasks, teams can allocate more resources to high-impact projects, such as in-depth research, creative campaigns, or audience engagement initiatives. AI can handle the volume, while humans focus on the vision. Of course, no strategy is without challenges. AI is powerful, but not infallible. It's essential to review all AI-generated content for accuracy, relevance, and tone. Be cautious of over-automation, which can lead to a loss of personal connection or brand differentiation. Use AI as a tool, not a crutch, supplementing, not replacing, the human element. There's also the question of ethical use. Be transparent with your audience about how you use AI. Avoid misleading claims and always fact-check information. Remember, your reputation is built on trust, and authenticity should remain at the core of your strategy. Looking ahead, the future of content creation is undoubtedly intertwined with AI. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities will expand. Imagine AI tools that understand your brand as well as you do, that anticipate audience needs, or that personalize content for every individual. The lazy content strategy isn't about avoiding work. It's about embracing innovation, staying ahead of the curve, and creating space for what truly matters. In summary, letting AI do the heavy lifting in your content strategy is not about being lazy, it's about being strategic. By automating routine tasks and leveraging AI's capabilities, you can produce high-quality content consistently, reach a wider audience, and achieve your goals with less effort. This frees you to focus on creativity, strategy, and authentic engagement, the elements that set you apart and drive lasting success. So embrace the lazy content strategy. Let AI do the work and watch your content and your results soar.